Palazzo Gasparoni Appartamenti per Vacanze is a residence located 10 metres from the sea in the centre of Tortoreto Lido. The apartments, which also have sea views, are available to guests all year round and feature a modern style which is elegant at the same time. They have all comforts and are furnished with refined taste. Enjoying an excellent position and very close to the sea, the residence makes an ideal place from which to set out on relaxing walks along the attractive seafront, shaded by palm trees and pines. And it is also possible to use the cycle track to reach the nearby villages and to enjoy the view of more than 3 kilometres of beach with fine golden sand. The residence's offerings are also enriched by little shops, wine and gastronomy fairs, folklore and music and theatre events to brighten up the warm summer evenings, while the numerous bathing establishments will attract you with their various different activities.